I'm in Berchtesgaden, Germany, and about to explore the town just before sunset and go in search of the Kirchleitn Kapelle. The Kehlstein Kapelle is one of the most photographed places in the whole of Bavaria, as it sits on a hill opposite the Watzmann mountain. The Watzmann mountain is the third highest mountain in Germany, standing at 2,713 metres above sea level. So I've seen this wooden bridge from afar. It kind of reminds me of a place that Darren at Back Road Exploits had go on. I'm sure I've seen bridges similar to this. I'm sure he's not had views as good as this from his bridges. Look at that view. Here we see the river, the Berchtesgadener Ache, which probably gets its distinctive colour from collecting glacial silt as it flows down off the nearby mountains. Certainly a view and a half. Wow, colour of the water. So I'm going up this hill. I'm hoping to get to the chapel that you always see on Google. Wow, views all around. So, just making my way up to the chapel. I don't think this is the chapel I'm aiming for. I think it looks a pleasant place. I can see from down there. The chapel I'm looking to find is a lot smaller than this one. We'll have a look at this one while we're here. In fact, you can see a viewpoint of a Berchtesgaden. I shall take a look at first. Not sure this is going in the direction I want to for the chapel I'm looking for. So again, some super views though. After doubling back, we come across Berchtesgaden Cemetery in the grounds of the Berchtesgaden Franciscan Monastery. This cemetery has been the resting grounds of local residents since 1685. Quite a lovely cemetery, if you could call any cemetery lovely. Here we get our first views towards the Berchtesgaden Franciscan Monastery, which was originally built around 1400 for the Augustinian women's choir. think the chapel I'm looking for is this way. Seems very quiet for an evening, Sunday. Still not sure I'm going the right way. I could be on the right track again now. Making my way up these steps and viewpoint. So I'm still trying to find my way to the chapel, just looking around. I think I might go down that path later on. It's not private, so that might be a good viewpoint. I think the chapel I'm actually looking for is a little way up here. Certainly views all around in every corner. Hopefully get there before the sun goes down completely. So I have to make a return visit in the coming days. certainly different to than anywhere I've ever been before. But it's my first time proper in Germany. Wow, imagine living here. But you have to be pretty rich. I think you can see the eagle's nest up there, right on the top. You probably can't see on the GoPro. I will be taking a tour of Hitler's eagle's nest in a future video. If you've not already subscribed, please consider subscribing so you don't miss it. I've come to another viewpoint. Well, I can see my chapel I'm looking for. It's just behind me. Beautiful. There it is. On the hill. How do I get there? Looks like I might have to walk a bit up this road. There is the chapel. Here we are at the Kirchleitn Kapelle, and you can see the silhouette of the Watzmann mountain. You can now see why it's one of the most photographed places in Bavaria. It's only a tiny place. So again, those super views are making my way back to the hotel now. Sun's gone down. It's getting quite late. On my way back now, getting some views. I'm on a high footpath. I was on my way back and happened upon this. This is Berchtesgaden Castle, which was originally built in 1102 from the Augustan Collegiate. You can take a guided tour of Berchtesgaden Castle during the day, which covers about 30 of the 214 rooms.
Das ist Schloss.